Now the charging system. So you did?
That guy's smoking pot, that's why.
Oh, the guy in front of it.
East Hastings Street for 2 kilometers.
Remind attendees that smoking of any kind is not permitted in
Japan and Canada are all
Got nowhere to go now. We just sleep on the couch. No place to call home now, but I'm sleeping so sound when you stick around. Grew out of our hometown, cause the city's so loud. Let's go on a drive out to see what the lights out. Don't wanna be found. 2, 3, 4. Driving through Nevada with nothing but a satellite map. Oh, is this what it feels like to have nothing but each other? Cause honestly I like it like that. Not a lot but it feels right to fly under the radar, sleep under the stars. No money or fame but all I want is your heart. We're flying under the radar, living out of a car. Not a lot but it feels right. Is this what it feels like to fly under the radar? I remember your mom said, we gotta wake up. It's time to live in the real world. Get out of your dream world, you're making it up. You were working a dead end, the drive-through. You pretend, you play cool, but 7 years have worn you down and you've had enough. Driving through Nevada with nothing but a satellite map. Oh, is Is this what it feels like to have nothing but each other? 'Cause honestly I like it like that. Not a lot, but it feels right to fly under the radar, sleep under the stars. Nothing in my name, but all I want is your heart. We're flying under the radar, living out of a car. Not a lot, but it feels right. Is this what it feels like to fly under the radar? No signal, but we're on the same frequency. No question, you were made for me. You're all I need. This feels like it was meant to be. So in sync for the 100th time. Can we fly under the radar? Sleep under the stars. No money or fame, but all I want is your heart. We're flying under the radar in a broken down car. Not a lot, but it feels right. Is this what it feels like to fly under the radar?
Get cheese? Regular? Umbrella?
Wow, you get an egg.
Cheese.
Good. The pork was nice.
there for your dark chocolate.
More of a light enough for you.
Oh, shit, brother.
Why is this so noisy?
I think it is. I think this is just a very premium version.
Mitch doesn't care. He's too old.
How old are you, Mitch?